Okay, so now that we've got either the desktop software installed, which is shown here, or and that's called the IDE. The IDE is just the desktop software, Arduino IDE, or the web editor, if we're going to use that instead, and we're going to use the, this thing, the Arduino Create plugin. We're now going to go ahead and program the Arduino. So I'm just going to let's look at the desktop software first. In the desktop software, you get when you open it up, I don't remember exactly what it looks like. There's some text in here, there's not, but this is called a sketch. The sketch is just your program. It's a place where you have a blank screen or a screen with text on it that you can write your computer program. And we are not going to write any original or unique computer programs to begin with, at least. We're going to use examples. So you can access those examples from File, Examples. And we are basically going to use the first couple. You can use anything you want. You can mess around because it's a lot of fun to do so. But I'm going to go to File, Examples, Basics, Blink. And that's what's already here, is the program to make the Arduino LED blink. And then this is what the lab's about. It's about looking at this and trying to understand what's going on. Let me just show that also from the web version. So in the Arduino Web Editor, again, you can use both, but you're only going to use one at a time. You're either going to be using the desktop software, the IDE, or you're going to use the Arduino Web Editor. So here is the web editor. This here is your sketch, and or sketchbook, I guess. That's a sketchbook, and then the sketch is the text. And here's your examples right here, so you don't have to drop down the menu. Examples, and then basics and blink. That's the first program we're going to use. Examples, basics, blink. And this, whoops, didn't mean to click that. And this is the same program that you would have gotten on the desktop software. So I only want you to notice a couple of things. We're back to the desktop software here. The things that you need to know. Now that we've got our program in the sketchbook, our sketch in the sketchbook, once you are ready to download that program to the Arduino is a microprocessor, it's a little computer, and you've got to program it. So you're writing the program here, and you're going to move it over to the Arduino. You move it over to the Arduino here with this button here, upload, the upload button. You click on that button. Right now I don't have an Arduino attached, so it'll give me an error. You can look at these other buttons and the other things too. There's the verify button, which verifies your program, doesn't have any errors. You can certainly do that, but once you try to upload it, it'll tell you the same thing. Then the other things, you don't really need open because we can open it without clicking open. Save. If you make a change, you want to save your version of the program. You don't have to. Small change, you can always make it again, but you can save your version of the program. Same thing here for the web editor. I'm just going to close that. We've got the verify button and save. Okay, so that saves it. And then this is the upload. And I guess when you upload it, it saves it also. And I did find that it will just automatically save the file for me in that list, which I just closed down. But there you go. So you can upload and save or verify and save. But this is the upload button. That's the one you want. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to actually upload to the Arduino, but let me just show you the software checks. With the web version, I haven't had any problems. Once I installed that plugin, remember, the Arduino Create plugin, it was able to find my Arduino. With the desktop software, I have had problems before with the desktop software. So if you're using the desktop, and that's just because you need to tell it where to look. If you're having problems with the desktop software, if you go to upload it to the Arduino and it can't find it, and you know the Arduino is plugged in, then you just need to go and make sure it's looking in the right place. So here I just reopened Arduino. So if you go to Tools, and the first thing is it is an Arduino Uno, so I've never had this choose something else. It automatically should know it's an Arduino Uno. Genuino Uno. Anyway, it's an Arduino Uno, genuine Uno. The port is here it is actually just giving me a single port. It found the Arduino. It's not a problem. It's a single port. But I have been on computers before where it'll show multiple ports here, and it'll show the Arduino on one port, but it'll have selected a different port. So you just have to select the correct port. And if it's not clear what the correct port is, you can go just serially, select one port, try to upload it, select another port, and try to upload it. But it looks like it's pretty good at finding the port. That's the only problem I've ever had with uploading the software to the Arduino. So in the next video, I'm going to show you plugging in the Arduino to the computer and uploading the software.